Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got 4 super easy, literally dump and go crockpot meals for you. I've got some pot roast, Italian chicken and potatoes, chicken stir fry, and then a meatloaf. I do not have a lot of footage, unfortunately, for this video. I just filmed with my phone because I was in a rush. It'll be better next time. But anyway, it was so easy. We literally are just seasoning up everything and then letting the crock pot do the cooking for us. So let's get started. So pot roast first. So you need a cut of meat. You need Chicago style steak seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, W sauce, a ranch packet, au jus gravy mix, and then I use this like beef stew pouch, slow cooker mix type of thing. That's not necessary, but I had it in my cabinet and I was like, let me just try it. So you basically season everything up, dump it in the crock pot, and that's it. You cook it on high for about 6 hours, depending on how thick the meat is. Next up is Italian chicken and potatoes. So all you need is some baby carrots, some chicken tenders, Italian dressing packets. I had 1 whole packet and then a half a packet left over, and then some Italian dressing. And then of course your, diced potatoes. You could use red potatoes, yellow potatoes, whichever you prefer. You just dump everything in there, season it all to perfection, and then I cooked mine on high for about 4.5 hours, and that's it. That's all. Next up, we've got our chicken stir fry. All you need is some honey citrus marinade, some General Tao sauce, some Sazon tropical seasoning, mushrooms, chicken, and then I actually, to make it super easy, I bought this frozen, like already diced vegetable pack. So it's got like the bell peppers and onions in there, and then you literally toss everything in again. You dump it and you go. That's it. That's all. I cooked this on high, I think, for about 4 hours. Many options for this for serving, but I serve mine over basmati rice, but you could obviously, serve yours over cauliflower rice, brown rice, whatever you prefer. Okay, as far as the meatloaf, super easy. Make sure you spray the crock pot first. Put like some foil down, spray it, and then add in the meat. But you will use about 3 pounds of ground turkey or ground beef, whichever you prefer, some Flavor Bomb burger seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, an onion, the W sauce, as well as some breadcrumbs. So mix it all in a bowl together, and then you put it in the crock pot. I made it into kind of like an oval shape, basically the shape of the crock pot, and then cook it on low for about 6 hours. But I'll tell you, I think it would have been better. I think I added more time to it, so I would say low for about 7 hours. And then, like in the last 30 minutes or so, I made up my sauce with some dark brown sugar, some more W sauce, and ketchup, and a little bit of garlic, granulated garlic actually. Mix it all together in a bowl, pour it over the top of it, and then let it cook for like 30 minutes more so it can get nice and caramelized. And that's it. That's all. I served it with some macaroni and cheese and just a side salad. So super easy. That's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos. I definitely plan on making more, but I will film with my actual camera next time, so I can give you a little bit more, But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here soon for more food. Bye-bye.